Hey guys, okay, I just want to make a quick video discussing the wiring of the Perego kids ride-on toys. I think there's some confusion about what goes on under this gas pedal here, so I just want to clear that up. This is especially good if you guys are doing modifications to the motors or the battery system, whatever of this vehicle. It's nice to know how it works. I don't recommend doing any of the things that I'm going to show you today. You kind of do it at your own risk. There's obviously a risk of fire and different things if you mess with the original factory wiring. So it's totally at your own risk. This is more informational. So the way this works, just to go over, is the positive and negative come in from the battery in the front. I have mine modified. I've got a 100 amp hour 12 volt lithium battery in the back, so I just connected to this harness in the front battery compartment, and then I have a heavier gauge wire going to the back. But yours, the factory one basically looks exactly like this. You've got your positive coming in. This is the foot pedal switch here, and I'll just press to show you. The positive comes in, goes through the switch. When you depress the switch, it connects the red and white wires together, and obviously the white will continue the power through and into your shifter. And the shifter's actually really good in these. They work really well, and there haven't been any issues. All the shifter does is gives you the ability to go into reverse and high speed, low speed. So it's got an internal mechanism in there that does that, and you don't usually have to mess with that when you're modifying the vehicle. In fact, it's a really great setup. So you think you'll want to keep that. So that's fairly straightforward. Now the other kind of mysterious thing here is this little blue wire. It's actually quite simple. This is a fuse. And this is to protect, obviously, the motors from overheating and your wiring system. But if you're doing any modifications and you're finding that you're not getting power, or if like your kid's going uphill and then it stops and then it starts again after something seems like it cools down, this is probably what's doing it. This is a 25 amp fuse. There is another fuse, just so you're aware, on the actual Perego batteries. And you know how they have that blue cap? There's another fuse that looks just like this in there. So there's actually two fuses in these vehicles that could be causing you problems when you're doing modifications or if it seems like something's overheating. So just check that, and then you can mess with fuses at your own risk. But this little blue wire here, what this basically is doing is it's giving you that braking action. So if I press the pedal here, I don't know if you can see this tire, but you can hear it anyway. You can see how it comes to an abrupt stop. So like, I'm sure when your kids are driving it, you know, like when they come to a stop, their heads like slam forward. And it's really hard on the gearbox and it's hard on the motors. So I'm going to show you a little mod that you can do, again, at your own risk here, to stop that from happening. And so that gets back into what this actually does, this little wire. So when the pedal is not depressed, the positive coming from the motors, or going to the motors, I guess, and this little blue, which is basically negative, connect together, and they create like almost like a electronic brake type thing. So I could turn the wheel here by hand, and it's sort of difficult to do so. But if I were to disconnect just the connector from the switch that's keeping the white and the blue connected, it's way easier for me to spin the tire now because it doesn't have that sort of electronic brake. So that is directly the reason why when you let off on the pedal, the vehicle brakes so abruptly. So what you can do, the simplest way, is just flip the switch over so that the white and the red are the only ones that connect when you depress the switch. And when you let go of the switch, there's no more connection to this blue and white wire, so that the vehicle comes to more of a gradual stop. Now, it is obviously a safety concern because on a hill, the vehicle will not stop on a hill. And if the child lets off the pedal, it's going to take a moment to come to a stop. So you can hear it there. You can hear how the wheels go further when I let go. And then I'll put it back to the factory. Here. You hear how they stop abruptly. So that's a good thing to do and make the motor last longer, gearbox last longer. So yeah, I hope that explains what's going on here. And this little yellow thing is usually covering that fuse, in case you're wondering what that looks like. It's got a little vent in there to try to keep it cool. But a lot of times that'll be your problem if you're having issues with the vehicle. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, just let me know. But I hope that this little video here sort of clarified some things on how this works and makes it a little easier to modify and do neat things with these vehicles. Thank you for watching.